Hello, my name is Gwawr Roberts, and I work as an art therapist within the Wellbeing Service at Bangor University. I hope you've had an interesting conference today, and thank you very much for the opportunity to take part. In this video, I will share an art activity called the Positivity Portfolio, which you may find helpful to support your personal well-being. It may also be an activity you could share with future clients. This video is accompanied by a PDF creation kit. Conference delegates will be able to access this PDF to accompany this video. Here is an image of the cover page as a reference. Everyone can, from time to time, experience challenging emotions, be it feelings of sadness or anxiety, for example. Barbara Fredrickson, a leading researcher of positive emotions, recommends creating a physical portfolio of objects and mementos to evoke positive emotions. Looking at items that have pleasant associations can evoke positive emotions and offer us support during difficult times. Let me guide you through an art activity so that you can make your own personal portfolio. This kit provides a collection of symbols, as well as some black and white stock images for you to print and use. The step-by-step instructions explain how to create a cover for your portfolio, ready for you to keep items that are important to you. In addition to a printout of the kit, you will need a piece of thin cardboard. The one shown here is from some old packaging and once folded is about A5 sized. Use whatever size you like. You will also need some tape to tape up the sides of your folded cardboard. Other materials you will need include a pair of scissors, a pencil or a pen, glue and some colouring materials of your choice. In the example shown, watercolour paint and gold pen were used. Please select whatever materials you enjoy working with or have access to. You may also like to incorporate some images gathered from magazines or similar, which have personal meaning to you. Fold your card in half and tape up the sides to create a pocket-style folio. Then turn to the images provided in the kit. Select images and symbols which have positive associations for you. In my example, I selected images to represent fields and birds. I have positive memories of warm days watching the swallows returning and flying above the fields behind my house. I always enjoy looking at images to remind me of this wonderful experience. Spend time cutting or tearing the images out and then create a composition on your card. Once you are satisfied with the design, glue your images down. Enjoy the opportunity to consider the positive memories and associations whilst you're working on your folio. Take your time and enjoy the creative process. Remember to cover both the front and the back of the card. You may also like to cover some of the card within. This is your choice. Once you have finished gluing your images and symbols to the card, wait until the glue is dry. Once dry, you can add colour. In my example, I used watercolour paint to fill in and cover the images. Once the paint was dry, I also decided to add some highlights with oil pastel and some gold pen. Everyone has a different way of painting and art making. Please feel free to add colour in any way you enjoy. This could be collage, coloured pencils, felt pens, anything you like. Here is an image of the front of my completed portfolio. As you can see, I used images of birds from the kit, as well as pictures of a nest, feathers, dandelions, wheat, and added gold to try and capture the warmth and the lighting I enjoy when outside watching the swallows. I wonder what you will include on your portfolio. When the portfolio is dry, you can add a collection of objects and mementos to evoke positive emotions. I have included a postcard with an image which reminds me of a special place. A positive quote, some pebbles and shells gathered at a local beach, and a tea bag from a box of tea received as a gift which has a lovely taste and smell. The portfolio cover includes images of positive things and also works as a container to store treasured items with positive associations. Give thought to what you would like to include in your folio. Gather them together and store them safely inside. Thank you again for the opportunity to share this activity with you at your conference. I hope you found making a personal positivity portfolio helpful, and it is something which you can keep safe and turn to in times of need. For more information about art therapy and other support available at the Wellbeing Service, please visit our website or contact us via phone or email. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.